Hey guys! Welcome back to I Eat Pie. And today we have McDonald's, and we have 2 Big Macs and some
French fries.
So good. So good. The lighting might not be too bright because it is nighttime when we're doing this. Well, it's not that late, but it's like 7:30. So, yeah. But, you want to pray?
Sure. Dear Lord Jesus, thank you for this wonderful day. Thank you that we get to have the opportunity to move. And yeah, bless this food to our body. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen. Oh, the sauce is dripping out.
We're almost out of ketchup.
Can you pour me some as well?
Yeah. I'll pour you some. You're probably not going to get very much. You know, I'll just wait a little bit for all the ketchup to come down to the lid, and then I'll get you some ketchup.
Okay.
I just shoved that French fry down my throat. Oh, okay. I've waited so long for food. Because we went back to the house today to do some more cleaning.
Yep. And I had volleyball practice, so I wasn't able to make it.
And then tomorrow is going to be my first field trip of grade 6. I get to wear casual because we're going to go to this, like Central Park or whatever, and we're going to plant some trees.
Tree planting.
You could have just asked me.
It's the best.
Okay, so if you guys don't know what or if you don't know what the Big Mac is, it has a first layer patty, then like some pickles, some lettuce and that, and then it has a bun, and then another patty, and then some cheese. And more lettuce. It's a very messy thing. That's the bun in the middle, and then the 2 meats. Oh, let's focus on us. This is how you make a Big Mac.
Mom made it?
No.
Oh. Okay, so if she made it, why do we have McDonald's logos and everything in a McDonald's canister?
This is so messy.
It is. You guys should let us know down in the comments below what your guys' favorite sport is. Or if you like sports, or if you like doing art, or if you like music, or is there anything I'm missing? If you like mechanics, or you like mathematical things and reading.
Yeah.
You should let us know. Because why not?
And we always love to learn more about you.
Well, yeah. And to get to know you guys better.
These French fries, they're like cold, salty, which makes them very good for me. But they'd be so much better warm.
They're cold?
Well, for me, yeah, because we picked up this food a little late.
When did they get the food? Because Grant messaged me at 5.
Yeah, so like they got 4:40 or something.
Oh, okay.
we got the food. And now it's like 7, so.
I barely even touched your burger.
Hey, I've taken some decent bites.
Decent spice. And would you look at that? A water bottle that is full. Ah, l'agua. Est très delicious. You may be wondering why I mix up Spanish and French. Well, because water in French is low or oh, and no one wants to say that. Unless if you're French. Snickerdoodle. French fries. You ready for this? You want to see something cool? Pile of fries.
The Big Mac is really good.
Good thing this shirt is pink. Believe in a tomorrow. Believe in a better tomorrow. Yeah, boys and girls and everybody in between. Believe in a better tomorrow. That's what that actually means. I don't know what it means. Hopefully it's just encouragement. Oh wait, isn't it you wear pink for like the Bullies Day or something? Or like to stand up for people who are bullying people? You wear pink? Right? Am I just making that up or is that actually a thing?
I think you're making it up.
I thought some schools did that. I don't know. Maybe they did, maybe they don't. Fries will never let me down. Whoa. That's a big fry.
This is a skinny boy. This one's kind of in a heart shape. Kind of is. Yeah, your face. Yeah, I focused for like a second.
I'm out of ketchup. And our ketchup thing has no more ketchup inside of it. Excuse me.
Look over there.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Are you full?
Sure.
Am I full?
Sure.
We still have a bunch of fries left. Probably gonna eat those later or share with the fam jams. But yeah, thank you guys so much for joining us. Make sure to like,
Subscribe.
hit the notification bell.
And comment down below.
And the pasta shot of the day goes to... Sorry, was that your face?
Yes. Roblox Fire.
Roblox_fire. They say we love... they said they love watching our videos. And thank you so much for the support. We love you too. Yeah, thank you so much for joining us. I drink too much water. See you guys later. Bye. Now go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom. Those are my fries. Please don't be a smart.